morning, class 10th. In our last video, I told you about conjunctions. So there were three types of conjunctions, which are coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. So we only did one type of conjunctions, which is coordinating conjunctions, and there are 7 coordinating conjunctions. I hope you all understood. Now let us continue with the second type, which is subordinating conjunction. So let's start. First of all, I would like to tell you what are clauses. Clauses are group of words which have combination of subject and verb. Clauses are group of words which have combination of subject and verb. यूजुअली अगर आपने अपने क्लॉजेस के बारे में पढ़ा होगा तो आपको आइडिया होगा कि जब हम क्लॉजेस की टाइप की बात करते हैं तो देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ क्लॉजेस, दैट इज डिपेंडेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. सो व्हाट इज डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज? डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज ऑलवेज स्टार्ट्स विद अ सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. एक सेंटेंस जो अपने आप में कंप्लीट नहीं होता है, उसे कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है. इट मेक्स द सेंटेंस कंप्लीट. इट इज़ डिपेंडेंट बिकॉज वो एक सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से स्टार्ट होती है. So what are subordinating conjunctions? They are the part of speech that join dependent clauses to independent clauses. Subordinating conjunctions एक speech का वो part है जो dependent clause को independent clause के साथ join करके एक पूरा sentence बनाता है with the meaning. They either join dependent and independent clause or comes in the beginning of independent clause. One and the same thing. Subordinating conjunctions, also known as subordinators or subordinate conjunctions. हम इन्हें subordinators भी कह सकते हैं. So now let us see with the help of examples what are independent clauses or dependent clauses and how subordinate conjunctions join them. Let's see an example. When the doorbell rang. Here, when is a subordinating conjunction. जब डोर की घंटी बजी. ये dependent clause है क्योंकि हमने when का यूज किया है in the beginning of sentence. लेकिन आगे क्या हुआ? उसके आगे when the doorbell rang, जब डोर की घंटी बजी, my dog barked loudly. मेरे कुत्ते ने जोर से भौंका. ठीक है, this is an independent clause. My dog barked loudly. This is an independent clause. But इसको complete करने के लिए हमने एक सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन का इस्तेमाल किया है. व्हेन द डोरबेल रैंग, तब क्या हुआ? माई डॉग बार्क्ड लाउडली. So in this sentence, subordinating conjunction is there in the beginning of the sentence. Let's see second. I took my umbrella. I took my umbrella is an independent sentence. ये अपने आप में एक पूरा sentence है, इसका मतलब बन रहा है. ठीक है. क्यों लिया अम्ब्रेला? बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग. सो जो बिकॉज है वो इट वॉज रेनिंग जो सेंटेंस है उसको डिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस, इट वॉज अ डिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस. ओके, सो नाउ बिकॉज उसके साथ ज्वाइन हो गया तो उसने फर्स्ट क्लॉज और सेकेंड क्लॉज को मिला दिया है आपस में. आई टुक माई अम्ब्रेला बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग. मैंने अम्ब्रेला क्यों लिया? बिकॉज इट वॉज रेनिंग. The third is although it was hot, जबकि बहुत गर्मी थी, he was wearing a coat. उसने कोट पहना था. जबकि बहुत गर्मी थी is a dependent clause because it is dependent on subordinating conjunction which is although, and he was wearing a coat is a independent clause. It is complete sentence. It is not dependent on any conjunction. So, subordinating conjunction is basically that thing. It is a part of speech that joins dependent clauses to independent clauses. I hope you all understood and you will practice it, because if you don't practice it, then you will not understand it. It will only come when you will practice it. So there are so many subordinating conjunctions. I'll tell you few. For example, after, although, as if, because, even if, even though, rather than, since, that, though, unless, whenever, etc. etc. So there are so many subordinating conjunctions. You can use it according to the sentence. Okay, I hope you all understood this. Now we are left with third type of conjunction, which is correlative conjunction. So I'm not confusing you right now. So let's do it in the next video. Hope you understood and you will practice it. Thank you everyone.